Hi everyone, Letty here. Welcome to hashtag Crafty Goals 2023. This is a 6x6 paper pack smash video. I did some Barbie-inspired party candy bar sleeves and I had a Dollar Tree find. Welcome back everyone. So I'm participating in hashtag Crafty Goals 2023 this year. One of my goals is to smash small paper pads or packs. And so I had taken out these small paper packs that I had picked up from Temu, and each one came with like 12 sheets of 6x6 paper. I have 4 total. 2 of them were sort of bought together, but then I purchased 2 of those. That first one, the pink power, this little pattern right here. And I did end up using a couple of sheets from the other 2 packs that you see there, but then I pretty much smashed the first 2. And then I also took out this little die that I also got from Temu. So these 2 first paper packs I smashed. So they each had 12 sheets, 6x6 paper. I completely smashed those, plus a couple of additional sheets from the other packs that I had purchased as well. And so those were just some of the items I had picked up from Temu, again, along with that little die. So I made some Barbie-inspired party candy bar sleeves. These fit the 1.55 ounce Hershey bar, or like the cookies and cream bar. You score it at 1.5, 1 3/4, 4 and 4 1/4. I'll leave the dimensions down below for you. The paper is 5 3/4 by 5 3/4. I've done this project a million times. You add some double-sided adhesive on the inside. I layered up some circle dies, and so I had these stitch scalloped circle plus a smaller inlay circle, and then I just basically die cut out the little Barbie silhouette or the doll silhouette with holographic paper. That was some holographic paper from Joann's, and so I just layered it up, and you see here these little sleeves are ready to go around a candy bar. They already have double-sided adhesive. This is just a quick project share video. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to make some little extra decorations for your parties. And so I had made these as just a little gift for one of my sister's best friends. And so I thought this would be a perfect time to use this Barbie-inspired paper and then use my new Barbie-inspired die. And these are such an easy project, and they really will be like a showstopper at the party because you'll be able to lay them out on the table and just really add some extra decor to your party. So again, just a real quick and easy video. Just wanted to show you what these look like. They're so super easy. I will try to link one of my previous tutorials for this candy bar sleeve, Hershey candy bar sleeve, at the end, so you can check that out. Again, Barbie-inspired candy bar sleeves. I had a double 6x6 paper pack smash. Each one had 12 sheets, so 24 total for hashtag Crafty Goals 2023. And so one other thing I did was I found one item from Dollar Tree. They were the Barbie sprinkles. These are the Barbie brand, and so I thought these would be perfect to throw in when I give her this gift, and so she can use them for the cake or the cupcakes or whatever for the party. But I wanted to show you that in case you were also doing a Barbie-inspired theme party, you could not only make these projects, but also look for those sprinkles as well at Dollar Tree. So thanks for visiting, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got a little bit of inspiration. As always, happy crafting.